With so many dry shampoo products out there, you might get a little overwhelmed. You might go, another dry shampoo. I'm gonna tell you 5 things about Olaplex's new 4D Detox Dry Shampoo and why you might wanna pick it up ASAP. Let's get into it. Let's take a look at this beautiful product. I will say I'm really excited that it is a larger size. Some dry shampoos come in smaller bottles and you just don't seem like you have quite enough. Let's take a look at the front of it. It says Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo for all different hair types. Also, I love that it says absorbs oil, volumizes, refreshes, and detoxifies. So everybody's probably used dry shampoo. If you are watching this right now, you probably have used dry shampoo before. So what makes this one different? Number 1, no white residue. For all of you that have super dark hair, white residue is super irritating because it makes you look like you almost have gray hair. Okay, let's put it to the test. No white residue. Let's get up close. As you can see, I have a lot of regrowth. The last time I washed my hair was on Tuesday. Today is Friday, so it's been a couple days. So I do have quite a bit of oil. So let's put it on and see if it leaves white residue. You're gonna spray it 6 to 12 inches away from your scalp. And you guys, no white residue. It sprays on. It smells super light. And honestly, it smells very similar to Olaplex's products. It's not super flowery, has a little light note of kind of their typical citrus smell, but it smells really, really good. Now let's get into number 2 on why you should use this product. If you are an avid user of dry shampoo like me, and you use it more than 1 day, maybe 2 or 3 days, you do notice it gives you a little bit of residue. Product buildup, it kind of clogs your hair follicle, and honestly, that's not good for your hair. If you're worried about hair loss or you start thinning, product buildup is super scary because it damages your hair follicle. And this one does not do that whatsoever. No product buildup, and I will tell you, where I've sprayed it, I can't really tell that I've sprayed it on my hair, which most dry shampoos have kind of that gritty, kind of like, you just feel product on your hair. Hit that like button if you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you've ever used dry shampoo, you run your hands through it and you can just tell that you have dry shampoo in your hair. Now let's talk about number 3, it builds body. So for all of you who have very fine, limp, lifeless hair, even after you shampoo, you all know what I'm talking about. When you shampoo your hair, it just doesn't hold a curl just as good as dirty hair does. So you can use this, since it's super weightless, the day that you shampoo your hair on clean hair, and it's gonna build some body to your hair. So that way you can hold those styles, say you're doing an updo, or hold those curls without weighing your hair down like typical dry shampoos do. Okay, you guys ready for number 4? It's all about this word right here, detox. Detox, what does that mean in a dry shampoo? Well, Olaplex has an ingredient that they use that helps detox your scalp. Rambutan seed extract. It's an antioxidant that detoxifies buildup on your scalp so you do not have that irritating itch. You guys know what I'm talking about. If you use shampoo, you get all that buildup. After a couple days, your scalp just kind of itches and you just feel a lot of buildup on your scalp. This really helps detoxify your scalp so you don't have that typical itch that dry shampoo can create after having all the buildup on your scalp, but without drying your scalp out. I would say number 5 is the most important one. You may have seen a little word out there called benzene, and a lot of talk about that particular product in dry shampoo. I will tell you, I've used a product by Bedhead that just recently came on that do not use list, and I have been on the lookout for a dry shampoo without that particular product in it. If any of you have looked up on the internet, you know this is something they use in aerosol sprays that kind of helps the product dry super quickly, but there's been links to potentially causing issues with your health. They say it's not something that should be in your product. If any of you are worried about this product has gone through a third-party testing and there was no traces of benzene in this product. So make sure you're checking your dry shampoo, and if it does have it in it, you may need to try Olaplex's brand new dry shampoo. All right, you saw me kind of spray it on my hair. Now let's actually use it completely and get close so you can see if it has absorbed the oil. So you spray it on, you let it sit for 30 seconds. I will tell you, I love that this product does not have kind of that white cloud that kind of lingers in the air. And I do believe that is kind of the benzene kind of product. It gets in your lungs. And so this does not have it. As you can see, you're not seeing stuff float around. You let it sit on for 30 seconds, and then you're gonna massage it into your scalp. Kind of distribute that product in. You can also use a brush to really kind of brush it in to your hair or scalp. And I will say it has done a very good job of absorbing all of that oil. You can see I'm not super shiny on the dark part of my scalp. There is no residue. I do have a little flaking from my scalp because, you know, those winter dry dandruff is definitely hitting me right now, but no white residue, which is amazing. I will say my hair smells really good with it. So I do love that it doesn't have a weird kind of smell. Hopefully my husband likes it. Many of you may also have a husband or a significant other that kind of complains whenever you use products that don't really smell that good. But if you guys are wanting to try this product, I will link it down below so that way it's easy for you to find. And as always, I love to help you guys. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave those in the comment box below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, before you leave, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button because I am posting lots of content and I don't want you to miss out. Again, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.